Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 22 of 3 words and expressions of a handwritten day. Today we are going to learn 新闻、银行、酒店。新闻，新闻，新闻 means news. Here is the news. 现在报告新闻。新闻。新。闻。门，耳朵 ear。新闻 news。OK。news。银行。银行 means bank. I paid $500 into the bank every month. 我每月把$500存入银行。银行。银行。行。银行。Next one， 酒店。鸡有酒。店，酒店 means hotel. Where's the hotel? 酒店在哪儿？酒店。酒。Not this. 店。酒店。hotel。新闻，新闻，新闻。银行，银行，银行 bank。酒店，酒店，酒店 hotel。Let me know what do you want to add in your DIY Chinese dictionary in the comments below. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.